All right, in this video, I want to tell you about two things that I think are going to help you get Salesforce up and running quickly. And that's Guidance Center, okay, and our quick settings. So Guidance Center is all about helping you understand what all this stuff is in Salesforce, how to set it up, and how to start using it quickly. All right, and then with quick settings, we know the most common tasks that you're probably going to do early on in your Salesforce journey. So we've taken those settings and just put them all in one really simple place. So as admins, you don't have to dig behind some kind of really complicated menu structure just to get stuff done. All right, and especially for those of you early on in your Salesforce journey, learning about stuff and then setting it up kind of goes hand in hand. All right, I think you're going to like these two features, so let's check them out. All right, to open Guidance Center, just click the question mark icon at the top of the page and you can see it open up. Now you'll see your guidance set that's suggested for you. Just click into it to see the specific steps. And the steps here can be different types of content. Some will be videos, some are links to tutorials or other resources, while some of these steps can actually take actions in Salesforce on your behalf for you. It can really help simplify some of the setup. Now, whenever you want, you can just jump ahead and click View More to see the other guidance sets. All right, now at the bottom here, you can see Salesblazer content. These are articles written by sales leaders and other sales professionals providing tips and strategies to help you maximize your revenue with Salesforce. All right, so that was Guidance Center. Let's check out quick settings next. Just keep in mind that only your admins can see quick settings, okay? So it's not something for your standard users. When they log in, they'll have this gear icon at the top of the page. It's a shortcut for the most common tasks like creating custom fields, customizing your sales stages, and adding new users to Salesforce. And if you ever want to, you can access the full setup menu using the Advanced Setup button here. All right, that's it for these two tips. I know they were pretty quick and simple, but I think they're going to be really helpful. So please take a second to try and check them out. If you want to learn more about Salesforce, head on over to Trailhead where we have a lot more resources where you can learn more. All right, thanks for watching.